Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to take you to Crocodile Adventure Park, which is in Langkawi. And really believe me, it is worth visiting there. And you will get to see a lot of crocodiles, the variety of crocodiles, different species of crocodiles, and the crocodile show which happens, for which it is famous for. So yeah, like we went, and there was a show which is really amazing. So you can see that they have actually pulled out this giant crocodile out of water, and then they perform certain stunts with the crocodile. And it was like both, like it was scary, it was fun watching, and like there were different stunts which the stuntsmen were performing. And yeah, like watch through it. See, they are kissing, and they are actually putting their head, they actually put their they just lied over the crocodile. And there were different stunts. So it was very amazing to watch. And the like approximately 30 minutes the show was going. And for all those 30 minutes we were in awe, and we were like awestruck, what is happening around it. So it was worth watching. So these all stunts were performed by the stuntmen. So like I was literally flabbergasted, and I was actually very much amazed. Then we went to a section where we can held crocodile, baby crocodile actually. So my husband wanted to hold crocodile. So before that they give us this form to sign that whatever we are doing, it's our responsibility definitely, and they are not responsible for any such thing. But yeah, like for the fun part, we definitely as he's adventurous, he just held crocodile, baby crocodile. You can see, it was scary definitely, but yeah, it was fun to watch. And he just took baby crocodile in his hand. And there is this helper who is always there with you, so for our safety purpose. And she guides you how to hold. So basically you need to hold them from the belly, and then they give you this picture, so you can just take with you, you can admire. Then we went to the park, and then there is you can watch these different species of crocodile. And there are different types of crocodile, and they have all the information there. So you are you get to know what kind of crocodiles happens. And then also there is this section where you can feed the crocodile. You will get small chicken pieces where you can just feed them. And it was like fun, and see how I was enjoying it a lot. And then I got the second chance. And like there is this whole small place where ample number of crocodile are there. And yeah, you can just watch. I was having little fun because I wanted to feed a specific crocodile, but yeah, like another one just jumped and had that piece of chicken. So but yeah, like I enjoyed a lot. And definitely it's worth visiting there, because it's too much fun there. And you will not get bored for even a second. And all were like the full day, I think 2 to 3 hours you can easily spend there. And then we went to the section where like feeding, like how they feed crocodile, they show you that. So it also happens. And there is this large area where where inside under the water there are crocodiles, and then they feed large pieces of meat to them, and then they come out, and then they have their food. So whole this is displayed in front of us. And like see, you can see so how it going to take place. So yeah, it was fun. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.